Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Jake and welcome to Dad Doodles. Today we're going to be drawing this metal Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. I'll be breaking him down into some basic shapes on my iPad and then I'll transfer him over to paper with my pencil. So grab your paper, your pencil, and some markers and follow along.
All I'm doing is breaking Metal Sonic down into some basic shapes. An oval for his head, some triangle shapes for his ears, more triangle shapes for the side of his head, a weird sideways bean shape for his eyes, another oval for his muzzle, a big oval for his body, an upside down triangle for his waist. Now I'll make two ovals for his legs. More ovals for his feet. Let's make some long cylinders for his arms. Then we'll make some more ovals for his hands. Do you see how these basic shapes look like the character? Now I'm just transferring it over to paper. How you doing so far? Post a picture of what you got in the comments below. In the next step, we'll focus on Metal Sonic's details. Right now I'm just sharpening up the edges around his head. I really want to make those ears a bit pointier. Now I'm going to do another triangle for the inside of his ear. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to make a small oval for his pupil and then another one on this side. Let's make another small oval right here for his nose. Then we'll make another one right here and here for his hinges. Now I'm going to want to make a curved line that follows that triangle. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need more time. I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. Now I'm just outlining the oval for his body. Let's go in the center of that oval and make another smaller one. Now I'll make one more smaller one there for the inside. Now I'm just thickening up the triangle shape for his torso. Now I'm going to want to do some half circles for the balls to start his legs. Let's make two straight lines to about this point here and this point here. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Now I'll draw a small curved line. Then let's extend that line and bring it all the way down like this. And we'll do the same thing on this side of the leg. Let's draw a circle right here to start his foot. Let's make a straight line right here and then bring it over and up to the top. Now I'll make two straight lines right here for the stripes on his shoes. Another curved line down right here, and then we'll bring it straight across. And from this point, we'll go straight up. Let's make another tiny circle inside the circle. Let's make a straight line right here. Then we'll do a long curved line right here, and another one right here. Now let's make a big curved line like this. Then we'll do another curved line, and then another curved line, and another curved line. Now I'm going to start on the shoulder by making a small curved shape like this. Then I'm going to want to make a half circle for the ball of his shoulder joint. Let's do 2 straight lines to about this point right here. Then I'm going to do like a slanted rectangle shape for his forearm, like this. I'll draw another rectangle like this for the top of his hand. Now I'm just going to draw some slanted lines like this for his fingers. I'm going to draw horizontal lines right here. Metal Sonic's starting to come together. Let me see yours in the comments below. I'm just drawing a couple of triangles to finish off some of his fingers. Let's draw a long sharp line like this for his thumb. Now I'm going to do the same process on the other side. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need more time. I'll start this hand by drawing a long, skinny rectangle. Then I'll draw a sharp, curved triangle for his thumb. Let's put more in right here for the rest of his fingers. And a curved line to finish off his hand. I'm really curious, who do you guys think I should draw next? I'll just finish up the details on his chest. In the next step, we'll be outlining. This is my favorite part. This is where you really get to see your drawing pop. Wow, he looks great. Let me see what yours looks like. I'm going to speed this up so you guys don't get bored. I love outlining and coloring. It's the most relaxing process. Before I color, I'll erase all the pencil lines. I'm doing all the lighter colors first for the highlights.
All right, moment of truth. Here he is. If you like this video so far, please post a comment on who I should draw next, and subscribe to our content for new videos every week. Thank you and have a great day.
Dad doodle, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.